Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today I'm going to show you how to make V-neck with a simple two strips. You don't need to add any kind of bukrams or linings. So let's quickly get started. So first you need to make the V-neck in your main fabric. Then you need to take two strips. These are 3 inches wider and 14 inches longer. You can take according to your neck length. Now put both these strips in this way, right on right, and now you need to place your main fabric. Make sure the center of this neckline should be the center of these strips too. So first you can fold and mark also, and then set it in this way. Now you need to mark this V shape neckline. You can either use fabric chalk or pencil, pen, anything. Now straighten it a little bit by using ruler. And now you need to give a stitch onto this V shape. Put it up, turn your fabric, put it down. So here you need to fold it from the middle again and then cut this extra piece. Now open this and give a slit without touching the thread line. And now you need to turn it to the right side. Now you need to conceal the raw edges of this strip. So either you can give overlock if you have this function in your machine, or you can simply give one stitch, or else you can also give hemming before. Now you need to attach this to the main fabric. So this is the right side of my fabric. Put your strip in this way. Now you need to give a stitch from here till here. So first set it, pin it, and then start sewing. This is the most easiest way I find to make the V-neck with a professional look. When you reach to this middle point, just turn your footer up, turn the fabric, and then start sewing again. Now after giving a stitch, you just need to give a slit without touching the thread line in the middle in this way. And now turn this strip inside. For a more clean finishing, you need to give a hot iron after turning it to the wrong side, and then you need to give a top stitch from here till here. And for the back strip, you can either stick it by using a fusing tape, or you can just give a nice hem, or if you already give a overlock stitch, then you just need to give one more top stitch. So after giving a top stitch, it will look like this. Now for the back side, you can either stick this strip by using a fusing tape, or just fold it half inch and give another hem. So I had given a top stitch twice and done with the hemming thing. So our V-neck top is ready. For a more clean finishing, if you don't want to give twice on the top stitch, you can just attach this strip by using this fusing tape. So just put this fusing tape inside and give a hot iron. I'm just showing you one example where I did this. So it gets stitched within a few seconds. And don't worry, it will not came out after wash. So this will give your neckline a more clean finishing. I hope you like and gained something from this video. If you did, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.